Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, my Paris. Blessed Monday morning from my Jamaican home, specifically my Jamaican backyard to wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, you know, I like it for be good night when this little vloggy of mine reaches you. It's a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning. We had the rains all night. It wasn't really hard, but it was just continuous. It just held up about 5 minutes ago, and I'm giving thanks. It's school. Today is Monday the 21st. Today is a public holiday in Jamaica. It's National Heroes Day. Yes, it is. So I am here giving thanks wherever you are. If it is that you believe in the power of faith and prayer, I hope you're giving thanks too. Doesn't matter what happens. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what is happening. Because sometimes some whole heap of things that happen. Some whole heap of cuss back as it not happen. Sometimes it doesn't matter what you do as a mother, as a wife, as an individual. Some whole heap of things that happen. Doesn't matter how you try to keep your family together. Someone always in it. I try to just pull it apart. Hold the faith. I'm gonna flip this camera, show you what is happening in the backyard. See? So I'm a little barrel them here, you know. No water yet. All these are full. All of them full. I have 7 on the out here. 7 of them on the outside here, and they're all, I think 6 is full. The rains came last night. We had some with some water, but we got the rain last night, and you can see the sky. It's all, you know, bleaky and all of that. Down on the ground, all around it's just rain. But you know what happened? I like this weather. I like it because when you're in menopause, them way they feel can't take the heat. So this is what is happening. I was thinking to come on the outside to do some weeding up today, but it seems like we're wanting there. You hear the one thumper in him house. I not let him out because of the rain. I don't even like this weather. Reminds me so much of Roxy. But you know what happened? Parry one day we talk about Roxy. I still can't get over Roxy yet. You know, so I have some stuff over there for take up and put out and all of that. So I will catch you in the next clip. Maybe in the next clip, I'm going to make some breakfast. Catch you. So, Parry, real life, real kitchen. I boil some water here, so. I don't even know why I have so many dishes here. Because we never make Sunday dinner. Kimmy make Sunday dinner over Fair Kitchen, but I don't know even why. But last night I was trying to do this, but guess what? Your girl, you know when you're there at a place they were mentally, I find it not mental, physically it not there, just couldn't deal with it. Some of us go sleep, I have certain vibes. I'm gonna wake up now. So I'm gonna get me some breakfast, but I have to tidy up this mess. So it's a real kitchen with some real mess. No running water. So look here. I boil a kettle here, so I want to pour over this and take a pour over and start the bottle rolling. So I'm going to get this place a tidy up, and when it tidy up, I'm going to show you where I'm there, and probably I'm going to show you what I make for breakfast too. See? Catch you. Barry, getting you in and a little of my struggle. So, but at the outside, I have a brother. Get him some water to go wash the dishes. I get you in more and more real pan, a little of water. But I'm working on something. I don't know, so I'm out there, and as soon as it come through, but I will see. I'm working on something to help myself. I'm gonna help myself, and you'll see. So I get in for my water, I carry up here, so I got my water out of my brother, and I have to come back. I have to make a few. Make sure now, sir. I head towards my sink. Yo! Next clip. All done, Parry, without no running water, so it have to stay I'm just still gonna pour some hot water. I wash off already still, but should me use the pipe water? What the water the name called? Camera girl.
Barrel water.
You feel so they know what you mean by this? Should me use the rainwater? I always pour. So I pour continuously pour about maybe I pour another one. I'm use some already. All done, Parry. All done. I think I'm gonna put on back my kettle again. All done now in my sink. Now look tree bad. And like that. Whew. Oh Lord, if I did have the running water, it would be better. But I'm still trying my best. So I'm gonna move on to some breakfast now. I tell Jerry say I got those stewed chicken and fried dumpling. And Jerry must feel like say me I don't know what to do about stewed chicken, but guess what? I'm gonna season it up. It's not for them favorite, but it is not. I'm gonna drain it now in the cold under here. You can still in the sink and drain off. I didn't wash it too. I make it properly drain. And then I'm gonna season it up. And then guess what? I'm gonna catch you under the next clip. Maybe the next clip you see chicken and stew and dumpling and fry. And there's something there. I feel like I just feel workish today. Catch you in the next clip. Hey Paris, I'm checking in with you all. So I have dumpling and fry at Paris. I don't know what you're here about, you know. But this is the spot of stewed chicken like this. What are their name? National Heroes Day. Jer, I like the size and when cut it though. And it's finished because he loves stewed chicken. I don't know why, but I guess this is it. And maybe you can get for care for lunch or work tomorrow probably. And camera girl, you can get for care at school, whatever. So stewed chicken is done, Parry. Did I show you all? Yeah, let me show them, camera girl. And dumpling in a pot here, a fry and a come to come. And I like that. And over here, I've done some Cersei tea for me only. I'm gonna put my green coconut milk in this. So that's where I'm at. Breakfast is gonna be late, but guess what? We catch you in the next clip. So Paris, everything is through now. Our plantains, I haven't done a lot of plantains because not everybody here. Jer doesn't eat it and I'm not so keen on it. So that's what we have. We've got our dumplings. I'm going to show you the stewed chicken I clipped before now. This is the end of our dumplings and look at me here. Soft and nice. So I'm going to have this over it. And then I also have my towel. And I showed you how to keep your dumplings soft and nice. Now, we're going to break a little bit because we're going to be doing a mukbang. And for those of you who are here and you don't know what we're talking about, there's a third channel here. And it is called the Jamaican Mukbang. That is our channel. When we cook our food right here on the Jamaican Debbie strain, and when we do, especially on West Indian Delights, people have been asking so much. They have been requesting, Debbie, can we see how you eat your food? Can we see how you throw down on some of those food? And I said to myself, actually they want us to have a mukbang channel. And a mukbang channel is a channel, it is very popular on YouTube that people eat. But we're just going to be eating. We're not going to go overboard because this is Jamaica. We don't have no time to eat. If we cook too much and eat and go during the cook all past two chicken. But we will leave and we don't waste food. We can't afford to. And when I can't afford to waste, yes I know. I was brought up to not to waste food. To know that there is a saying that says, willful waste makes woeful want. And in my younger days, I had experienced that. So I'm going to waste food. So we're going to take a break from our busy vlogging schedule for now. And we're going to go do our mukbang. So we're going to leave the link to our mukbang channel in the description. So you can go check it out whenever. And you will see how we are going to show them on this the Heroes Day breakfast. So the rest of the day will be both me and you. All of us together. So catch me up in the next clip. You know, we still know all about. Maybe I'll be on the road at one point. Not sure. Catch you. So guys, I am on the road. I am at the supermarket just for a few little items. I wish Martina then keep the water. Eh? Maybe two, just two. Think they're full of something tomorrow. And look if you see the orange juice. Orange juice, I'm one and what name? Country style. Looking for some water. And some antowel. Just a few little stuff. Paris. Let's have it run, because remember today is these antowels, they are not the best anymore. Let's stop by them. And look at them, do if you have. You find it? And the water. And me and Jerry on the road, I him drop me. But I am looking. I'm out of antowel. Oh Lord. I'll just take this. This also. I don't even know. Some know what me like, yes, I can't afford bounty, you know. Sorry, I cannot afford bounty. I have to take up a cheaper brand. Honestly, this is Jamaica. I have to take up a cheaper one. But this is small. These don't work out no more. I don't like the quality. Ooh. So Paris, but that's the right this so. I think it's the end of today's vlog. I'm just here chilling out. I'm just gonna be doing a little. Camera girl have a whole lot of schoolwork. So I'm gonna do our uniform. I press them fair, but I take a little cool out and I watch some TV. This is where I'm gonna end. It wasn't a lot today because the weather was Saturday, you know. So we stayed indoors. We couldn't do anything much outdoor because it was wet and all of that. And after all the breakfast, and remember to go check out Kim and Jerry's. Well, Kim now, Jerry, yeah, I say Jerry, but not right now because he's such a busy person. But formerly Jerry and Kim didn't know the Jamaican mukbang. Go check it out where we had breakfast. Oh, we had breakfast over there. What you saw what we had for breakfast, but oh, we did deal with it. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. And all of you want to know me on the talk one-on-one sometime. And sometimes you don't hear from me. But as I try to get the things together, because things kind of, you know, letting loose. Them I pull apart. So I try to carry them back and center. I don't know it goes sometime. So I Jamaica, this you know, easy down here. You have to know, you have to stand up by your foot. So I want to thank you for your love. And if you're new right on over here, we have so many new people. Welcome. Thank you so much. I'm so much back on my comments because of the internet where they go. And sometimes in between the lights still go and once the light gone, the internet goes too. Sometimes it is so bad when you're replying. The computer does slow up and it's a lot. But me I try. I know it will end one day, you know. So many things. I've got so many things on my plate right now. So I just want to thank you if you're new right here and you're enjoying the content. We want to thank you so much for the love. Lots more to come and whole heap more to come. Real thing. Long time we don't sit down. You know them talk them, you know, used to sit down and talk their way, you know. Because whole heap of things we have got through, you know. A lot of us, mostly women, you know, we're going through a lot. I know so me always sit down, me and that, you know, I look at talk because trust me, as women we gotta support each other because let me tell you something. The straight blind Safari road, it's harder than the man them road. So we want to thank you for loving us, loving our content. We want to thank you, all of you who have reached out to me in such a way. We have such a different bond outside of YouTube. I just want to thank you so much. And those of you who would like to reach out to me, to talk to me differently, just hook me up on Instagram, man. Send me an email. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting so busy these days. But I want to thank you for the love from over on the main channel onto this channel. And you're also showing it to Kimmy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Blessed Monday. This is the start of another week. Be vigilant. Be wise. Open your eye. Be smart. You know. Don't give your heart to too much people when they deserve it. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things.